Hey everyone, thanks for tuning into Crypto ZX. I really appreciate you stopping by my channel today. To all my viewers watching my video right now, can I please ask you guys to smash that like button and hit the red subscribe button if you haven't already. This does help with the channel tremendously and also keeps me motivated on making videos for you guys. But with that being said, let's jump right in today's content. Just a quick reminder for all my viewers watching, and that is, guys, if you guys have not joined the Telegram group chat, guys, what are you waiting for? It's free to join, a link in the description box below. We talk about cryptocurrencies, the latest news and trends revolving around the space, and just have a great time at the end of the day. So come join the group and let's build this community together. Now let's jump right in today's content. Alright guys, before I begin, I would like to say the disclaimer: anything on this channel should not be taken as financial advice because I am not a financial advisor. Cryptocurrencies are super volatile, so please do your own due diligence and research before investing in these markets. Looking at the overall crypto market cap today, we are currently sitting at $1.4 trillion. We're up 3% in the last 24 hours. Meanwhile, BTC Dominance is currently sitting at 45.4%. Looking at the overall markets, guys, we are starting to see some mild green across the board, but again, nothing to be getting excited about at all, especially if you are an altcoin holder. We are seeing Bitcoin having a rebounds from that 27,000 drop that we just saw earlier today, but still we should not be getting very excited as of now, and we will get into Bitcoin charts later on in this video. But today, guys, I want to look further into XRP. Alright, XRP community, if we are looking at the XRP price right now, we are currently sitting at 65 cents, and we are up 4.6% in the last 24 hours in USD comparative, but we're also up 0.6% in the BTC comparative in just the last 24 hours. XRP's current rank on CoinMarketCap and on CoinGecko is at the top 6 spot. Market cap right now is 29.98, so almost $30 billion. Meanwhile, 24-hour trading volume is at $7.8 billion. Zooming out and looking at the bigger picture, guys, in just the last year alone, XRP is still up 242.3%. It has dropped quite significantly from, all-time highs of this year. Not all-time highs for XRP in general, but all-time highs for this year. It has dropped quite significantly, but again, this should not be coming as a surprise to any one of us because we know the entire markets are seeing a downwards trend, especially Bitcoin. And we know Bitcoin is the leading indicator of the market. So when Bitcoin goes towards the downside, we do tend to see altcoins follow. And XRP is definitely not an exception. But, let's get right into the charts. But before I begin, I do have an update for the SEC lawsuit that is going on. So let's briefly go over that and then we will come and jump right into the charts. So James K. Fillon came out and posted this, and he says, SEC announces intentions to file on Thursday, June 24th, so tomorrow, 2021, a letter motion to quash a deposition subpoena served by Ripple on a former SEC official. Briefing scheduled below. So basically what this means is, if you guys want to read it, I will leave the link in the description box below for this tweet and you guys can read this. But if you guys don't know what this means, so this means that Ripple wants to question under oath a former SEC official. So that's what Ripple wants to do. The SEC objects to the deposition. The parties could not work out their differences and they want MJ Network to decide if it will happen. We do not know who the former SEC official is yet, but we will get to know as time goes by. Especially tomorrow, we will see what happens. But one thing I want to point out for you guys right off the bat is that it goes to show that they just want to keep on expanding, keep on delaying this lawsuit, and it's kind of unfortunate. But again, we can't really do much about it. It has to come down to the officials to come and make some sort of decision as to what is going to happen. Obviously, we have heard a lot of positive news coming in favor of Ripple as a company in this lawsuit, but it's just getting delayed and delayed and delayed. But we will see what happens as time goes by. But I wanted to update you guys on this before we get right into the charts. Alright, as you guys can see, if we're getting into the charts right now, as of recording this video right now, XRP is sitting at this level of support at the 65.5 cents mark, and we did see XRP drop quite significantly over the past week or so. But again, we know what has been going on in the markets. We have seen that China FUD once again come in the markets, how they're cracking down on Chinese mining farms, which obviously is a huge news, and that could create a lot of bearish momentum, especially for Bitcoin. But we did see the drop, as you guys may know. Let's go on Bitcoin charts briefly before we get into XRP's charts. As you guys can see, we did see bears push the price of Bitcoin towards the downside, and we did wick all the way down to $28,600, guys. And since then we have seen some sort of a price pullback towards the upside. Bulls have come and rescued the price, and currently we are sitting above this crucial last life support, as you guys may know, for Bitcoin at this $33,300 mark. We are sitting at $34,100 mark, but we still want to get above this $36,200 price level for me to be convinced that yes, we are sitting on the safe end. But so far, not looking bad as long as we are not below this $33,300 mark. We did see bears win this trend. They did push the price of Bitcoin towards the downside, but bulls did come. We did see a lot of buying pressure kick in around this $28,700 mark, roughly around there. And we did see Bitcoin have a bounce back towards the upside. Still, we do have long ways to go for Bitcoin, for me personally, to be convinced that yes, the bottom is in. But right now, for us to be on the safer end, we need Bitcoin to go to $36,200. With that being said, so once we did see this drop happen in the markets, obviously XRP is no exception. We are going to see XRP fall down with the entire market, and we did see XRP go all the way to 50 cents, guys. If you had some orders built up around here, you had some orders bought to buy up XRP, you would be up right now, as of recording this video, 30%, guys, in just one single day. So if you got in around here, congrats. But still, XRP is down quite significantly just from June 1st level. If we are bringing out the measuring tool, guys, as you guys can see, we were sitting at the 61.8 Fibonacci retracement level on June 1st, and now fast forward to June 23rd, we have dropped quite significantly, 40.54%. But one thing I want to point out for you guys is that it's not only XRP that is seeing these kind of prices towards the downside. It's the entire market as a whole right now. So we need to be monitoring, obviously, Bitcoin situation very closely, along with this time BTC Dominance. I'm sorry I was unable to come and make an update for XRP for you guys over the last couple of days, but I'm bringing this to you guys right away. And as you guys can see, guys, we are seeing BTC Dominance climb up very, very sharply. And now you may be asking, what does this mean? As high as BTC Dominance goes, that the worse it is for altcoins, because that does tend to mean that we do have money flowing in to Bitcoin rather than altcoins. So this is not a good sign for altcoins. We still need for BTC Dominance to go around this range, guys, around this 40%, for us to see an altcoin season happen. But right now we should not be discussing altcoin season at all, because we need to be monitoring Bitcoin situation, and we need Bitcoin to hit specific price targets for us to be convinced, and then we can have that conversation. So this is why we are seeing a lot of altcoins bleeding right now. But again, this is part of the market cycle, guys. This is why it's very, very important to always lock in profits when you are seeing massive profits. If we are going on the daily, I always like sharing this fact with all my viewers, because I care about you guys and I want you guys to understand this, so you guys don't make these mistakes in the future. Because at the end of the day, guys, I have made all these mistakes that I mentioned. I have been in the markets for a few years now, and I have seen quite drops. I've been in 2 bull runs, and you'll learn over time. And the mistakes I made, like I said in all my videos, I do not want my viewers making the same mistakes, because I care about each and every one of you guys. I want you guys to maximize your a profit potential in this market, and that's the only way to do that is, guys, for not to get greedy. As you guys can see, we were seeing all-time highs after all-time highs. But this is not an actual all-time high for XRP. I'm just giving you guys an example. When we're seeing price going just towards the upside, parabolic type of run, guys, you cannot predict the top. You can no one Trust me, no one can come up to me and be like, you know what, Crypto ZX, I can predict the top for XRP where it is. Absolutely not. We never know when the markets can have a shake off. At the end of the day, we all know these markets are controlled by Bitcoin, and these markets can be manipulated a lot. So if that does tend to happen, we could see the profits that we make very fast go away very fast as well. So the best way to lock in profits is, guys, when you are seeing massive profits, right? Scale out at some sort of situation, scale out where you could, you talk to yourself, you question yourself, hey, you know what, I am sitting at an X amount of profit. Can I afford to lose this profit? Let's say markets, these markets are unpredictable, and let's say we do drop tomorrow. You never know. Very high possibility. I've seen Bitcoin, cryptocurrency markets drop 80% in one single day. Absolutely crazy, right, guys? So you cannot predict that. So you should be asking yourself a question when you're seeing parabolic runs like this. Hey, you know what? Should I take some profits? Is this too much profit that I cannot afford to lose? If it is, the best option for you is to have some profits. And the best option would be to put it into a USDT or a stable coin. And when you do see price corrections, guys, again, if you're going to come up to me and tell me there's not going to be ever no price per corrections, I'm sorry to say that is not the case. There's always going to be some sort of consolidation phases where we do tend to see prices fall towards the downside. And that's where you could be dollar cost averaging and building up your holdings that you currently have, or you could use that money for your personal use. I always tell you guys this because I care about each and every one of you guys, and I really would like for you guys to implement this within your cryptocurrency journey, because trust me, this will help you guys a lot. And always invest what you can afford to lose, and always do your own due diligence when investing into cryptocurrencies. I cannot stress this enough. But long term, guys, yes, we are seeing quite a bit of a drop since the all-time high of this year, guys. We have seen XRP drop 67.3%, quite a significant drop indeed. But I am a strong believer that this bull run is definitely not over. We still will see more parabolic, more heights for Bitcoin and altcoins. Right now, there's just a lot of FUD revolving around the space, so we do need to keep that in mind. But when we do see, if we were to see that 2017 parabolic type of bull run, guys, and we were to, let's say, for instance, XRP comes out, the SEC lawsuit were to get dropped, you guys know I've always been saying this, and I'll continue saying this. If that SEC lawsuit were to get dropped, we will definitely see XRP price go towards the upside, because right now it has not seen the rally other altcoins have seen. And I still believe there's a lot of money on the sidelines waiting right now for XRP in the immediate short term. And if some sort of bullish news comes out of this lawsuit, we will definitely see some sort of a price movement towards the upside for XRP, as long as Bitcoin were not going towards the downside. So we obviously need to keep that in mind as well. But you guys know my stance for XRP long term. The project is definitely here to stay. It has a working product, and they keep on expanding despite the fact that they're facing such an stressful time right now within their organization. And still that does not stop them from developing and expanding as a company, and the community is very strong. Everything is there for XRP to succeed, but we just need to have patience, guys. My short immediate term target for XRP would be, I would like for us to get back above this level of resistance. We're currently sitting at that, and I would like for us to get back into the 78.6 Fibonacci retracement level and consolidate and move up gradually and head towards this next target at this $1.18. But we might have some time for us to go to those levels, because we do remember need to keep an eye on this Bitcoin dominance chart very, very closely. As this increases, guys, if this continues to increase, let's please keep in mind that we could possibly see XRP along with other altcoins trade sideways for quite a while before we do see some newer heights back around this range. So we need to keep that in mind when we are monitoring this situation right now. But let me know in the comment section below what you guys think, where XRP is going in the immediate short term. Let me know. And what do you guys think about this lawsuit? And let me know in the comment section below. And please, guys, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. This does help my channel a lot, helps my videos get to a wider audience. So your support would be greatly, greatly appreciated. And thank you so much for all the support that you guys show me. Each and every one of you guys, my regular supporters, you guys know who you are. I do this for you guys. Always remember that. And stay safe out there. Safety, health, and family comes first, and everything else absolutely comes later. With that being said, I will see you guys tomorrow. It's been Crypto ZX, and peace out.